The Chevy Blazer's infotainment system handles navigation, audio, and vehicle settings, but can sometimes glitch with issues like screen freezes or audio problems. There are two main types of resets. A soft reboot restarts the system without erasing data, while a hard or factory reset restores everything to default, erasing personal data. Recent models from 2023 onward often auto-reboot for minor issues, thanks to over-the-air updates. Always perform resets while parked for safety. Also, a weak 12-volt battery can mimic software problems, so ensure the battery is healthy before proceeding. If the infotainment is not working, start with a soft reboot and try a hard reset as a last resort. For a soft reboot, hold the infotainment system's power button for 5 to 10 seconds. This clears temporary memory without erasing your data. For a hard or factory reset, the method varies by model year. Some models allow a factory reset via the settings menu within the infotainment system itself, usually under a general or system submenu. Others might require accessing a hidden service menu by pressing and holding specific buttons, such as the tune and seek buttons, simultaneously for 10 seconds. Post-reset, you'll need to repair devices and re-enter preferences. Consider downloading the Chevy app for remote diagnostics and possible reset initiation. If problems persist, consult a certified dealer.